If you like decorating mantles and tabletops for the fall, then stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Juanita Michelle. If you like fall decor, then hit that subscribe button. I've got everything here pulled out that I think I'm going to be using to decorate for the fall and for Thanksgiving. A few of these items I've had for years, and some of the other ones came from Marshall's, the Dollar Tree, and from Michael's. Here I have my ginger jar, and I'm trying to decide which pieces I'm going to use to decorate the jar. I decided to go with the green berries instead of the white ones because that complemented the green of the jar. I decided to keep things very simple for this mantle in terms of the fall decor because I didn't want a lot of stuff up there because I knew it was only going to stay up there a short time because I'm so ready to decorate for Christmas. This shelf is decorated with pumpkin and gourds that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they were orange, so I just sprayed them gold. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like what you've seen so far. This is the table for a sitting area, and I decided to decorate it with ceramic pumpkins, and I went with burgundy and rust and brown colors, and I also put that turkey there. This turkey has been in the family for years. We always pull it out for the fall and especially for Thanksgiving. It's made out of ceramic and it's a bowl with a lid on it. You can almost see the Christmas decorations that I have under the table there because I am so ready for Christmas. I love fall, and I love all the colors of fall, but Christmas time and decorating for Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload other videos. And thank you for watching.